mentioned read line. That's why I got that error. So please use read lines method. That is the I did a mistake. Okay. Except this remaining program is correct. So we can use with also. As file. So this is the program. Once again I'm repeating. Yesterday I missed the S here. So yesterday I give only read lines. That's why I got this output. Actually, the method is read lines. So that is the mistake yesterday. So please correct you also. It is clear for all. Give me reply. So here I am passing only one argument. In this task need to pass 3 arguments. That's only. So that is the task I have given. So that's not a problem. Good. So I got only 2 responses from your side out of 22. Except admins 20. Completed. Good. So before starting the class, I completed the task. So here I need to pass 3 variables. First one is name, roll number. So next one is email ID. Okay. So and same assign those roll number and email ID to for self dot roll number equal to roll number. Next self dot email ID equal to email ID. So here let's take one dictionary. Name colon self dot name. Okay. Next roll number colon self dot roll number. So next email ID colon self dot after that create the one object for student. So you need to pass three parameters. Those are name. I'm passing name here, which one, and roll number is 401 401, and email ID is which one, 1914@gmail.com. Next, I'm passing three variables to class. So next, just call the show function. You get this. Okay. Who are not completed, please note it down. So it is completed. Can I proceed for next? Okay. Class math of. This is the second task. Next self dot num2 equal to num2 self dot num3 equal to num3. Okay. Next, I'm getting one function that is add. In this function, we need to pass self parameter return self dot num1 plus self dot num2 plus self dot num3. So here I am taking only one method. Next, create one object for obj class math. So in the this function missing three required position arguments. We need to pass num1 and num2 and num3 values. 25, 36, 47. Here I am passing these values. So next, obj dot add. So I got 108 output. So this is the second task. Who are not completed, please complete. Please note it down. Is it completed? Please give me reply. Is my voice is audible? Completed. Good. So let's go to today's objectives. So here I am taking one new zip profile. Rename it as today's date 09/01/2021. Today objectives. The first one is inheritance. The second one is modules. And the third one is packages. So these three are we will discuss today. Let's go to first one. Inheritance. So what is inheritance? What is the use of inheritance? So inheritance means we are trying to inheriting something from parent class to child class. Okay, inheriting means trying to inheriting something from parent class to child class. It means get the properties from one class to another properties. Okay, so here let's consider the first one is parent class and the second one is child class. So in this class we are inheriting something from one class to another class. Something means like properties. Okay, so next the format for inheriting format is class name class child class child class. In this child class we need to pass parent class. Parent class. This is the general syntax. Class, child class, parent class. For inheriting the properties, we have different types of methods. Those are the first one is we have different different types. Those are first one is single line inheritance. The second one is multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Third one is multiple inheritance. So fourth one is hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance. By using these types, we can get the properties from one class to another class. Let's see one by one what is single inheritance and what is multi-level inheritance. The first one is singular inheritance. So what is singular inheritance? In the singular inheritance, there is only one parent class and any one child class. In this singular inheritance is consisting of two only. Those are one parent class and one child class. Okay. So let's see an example for singular inheritance. Is it clear what is inheritance? What is the use of inheritance? Audio error. So all are facing same issue. Voice is not clear. Please let me know. And screen updation also. No, it is okay. 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 So let's see one example. So till now, this is clear for all. So what is inheritance? What is the use of inheritance? And general format for inheritance, which means syntax. So next, types of inheritance. Mainly we have used four types: single line inheritance and multi-level inheritance. So next, multiple inheritance, and the fourth one is hybrid inheritance. So next, in singular inheritance is mainly consisting of one parent class and one child class. Okay. So for singular inheritance, I will give one example. So first create one class with the name of, I'm taking class A here. Okay. In this class, I'm taking two variables, that is A equal to 10, B equal to 30. Okay. So what is the use? Um, to access the properties from one class to another class. This is the main use of inheritance. So after completion of this example, you get more clarity. Just wait. Uh, so in this class, I am taking A and B. These are, we call it as the properties. Okay. So next in this class, I am creating one method, that is I am taking display. So display method I am taking. So next in this method, I am returning I am from class A. Okay. So like the same, I am taking another method, that is add. let's A comma B. I'm taking return A plus B. Okay, so this is the one class. So let's consider this is parent class. Parent class. So now I want to create another class. So that is, so in this method also I am taking show method return I am from class B. Okay, so let's consider this is child class. So let's consider this is child class. So in this class, so general format for what is general format is child class of parent class. So here class B is the children parent child class. So in this class, I want to pass parent class. Here, what is the parent class here? Here, what is the parent class? Class A. So class A. So class A is the parent class here. Class A. Okay. So let's execute this one. So I am creating one object for class A. Object A equal to class A. Okay. So in this class, we can access by using this object. By using this object, uh, how many functions and variables we can access by using that object? Which variables and functions we can access? Give me a quick reply. So display add and A comma B also we can access. So Mallikarjun Rao, I already told you in Telegram also. So present I don't have access to push those files. So if I get once I got the access, I can definitely push those files. First follow the class. Okay. A, B, and display and add functions we can access. Display. So I am from class A. Okay. So now I am creating object for So like this same way, A, you get 20. So we can access those four only. We can access. Okay. So next, I'm creating object for class B. Okay. In this class B, I am passing in class A also here. Okay. So class B equal to class B. So now I am creating object for class B. So in this class B, how many properties are there? I mean, how many methods is there in class B? 3. Those are C, D, and show. Is it right? In class B, having only C and D and show method. Okay. So, let's see class B having show. That is, I am from class B. Okay. In class B dot enter. So display. Normally display method is belongs to class A. Okay. By using single inheritance, we can add the class A properties also. So this is the main use of inheritance. We can get the properties from one class to another class. Okay. So in class object B, object having these are all. So it having A value, B value, and display method, the add method, and C value, D value, and show method also. Okay. So it is clear. Now it is clear for all. Yes, clear. Scroll. This is U1. So who are not completed, please complete. Okay. So next, let's see multi-level. Let's see multi-level inheritance. So first, okay, definitely. So I give you 2 minutes time. Please complete. I think all are completed. Okay, next, multi-level inheritance. So what is multi-level inheritance? In multi-level inheritance, one or more parents, parents means parent classes, one or more parent classes and one or more childs, one or more childs. Normally single inheritance means there is only one parent class and only one child class. But multi-level inheritance uh, consisting of mainly one or more parent classes and one or more child classes. Okay, so now let's see another example for multi-level. I'm creating one class with the name of A. So in this class, I'm taking one value, A value. Next, same way, I'm taking one method that is class A. So in this method, I am returning from class A. Okay, so this is one class. So next, I'm taking another class, the name of B. In this class, I am passing parent class that is A. So next, B equal to 20. This class B of return I am from class B. Okay, like the same way, I am taking another class C. So in this class, I am passing B value. I mean B as a parent here. So next, I am taking one variable that is C, the 30, and def class C of colon return I am from class C. For accessing these all, which class we need to create an object for accessing those all? Class A. C. For creating object for C, we can access the class A properties and class B properties and class C properties also. Okay, so here I am creating an object for A. I am taking A. obj a equal to a dot a having only a value. Next, a having only class A function. So this is function, that's why you need to give parenthesis. I am from class A. Okay. So now next I am creating object for class B. After that, obj b dot, I'm able to access class B. So in this class B, we can access class A properties also. So obj dot b dot a, I can get class A properties also. So next, class B, I get class B method. Okay. So next, I am creating an object for class C. Obj C equal to C. So by using this object, we can access the all properties from class A and class B, and also access properties from class C also. So A. So A, I got value from A dot B. So next, obj C dot C. Okay. So this is for class C. I mean multi-level inheritance. Okay. All of you completed? Is it completed? Please respond. Completed and clear also. Yes. Okay. Thank you. So can I proceed for next? Next one is multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance. In this multiple inheritance, having this inheritance having more than one parents, more than one parents. Parents means parent classes. More than one parent classes and one child only. One child class. Okay. In multiple inheritance having more than consisting of mainly more than one parent classes and only one child class. Okay. So let's say example for multiple inheritance. So in multiple inheritance, having only one child class and more than one parent classes. So take more than one parent class, take two parent classes and take one child class. So I am taking class class underscore parent 1, parent 1. So next, so in this class parent 1, I am taking only one method, that is class A. So here I am taking only parent 1 and I am taking parent 2. Sure. So in this class I am taking one method, that is show. In that method I am returning one statement, that is I am from parent 1 class. Okay, this is one class. Like the same way I am creating another parent 2. Parent 2. So in this parent class also I am taking another method, that is show 2. I am taking show 2 colon return I am from parent 2 class. I am from parent 2 class. So these two classes, we can call it as parent classes. Parent class, parent class. In this multiple inheritance, having only one child class and more than one parent class. Okay, so for that I am creating child of, in this child I am passing parent 1 and parent 2 classes. Parent 1, parent 2 classes here. So next, in this class I am passing on creating one child method, that is child. In this method I am returning one statement, that is I am from child class. Okay, So please complete. So next execute this particular cell. So class parent one properties and parent two properties are all existed in child class. Okay. By using child class, we can access the parent one properties and parent two properties and child properties also. Okay. Let's check the output. So here I am creating object for child. Child obj dot. So normally child having only one method, that is child method. Okay. But here we are using multi-level inheritance. So in this child I am passing parent one and parent two classes. That's the way we can access the class parent one properties and parent two properties also we can access here. So obj dot, sorry, show. So small s. So I am from parent one class. Next obj dot show two. So I am from parent two class. Okay. By using child object, we can access the parent one properties and parent two properties also. So please complete. Is it completed? Yes. Okay. Thank you. So can I proceed for next? Okay. In this, we have only one, that is hybrid inheritance. Okay. Thank you. So hybrid inheritance. So in hybrid inheritance means it is a combination of all inheritance. All inheritance, like single line, multiple, and multi-level also. So it is a combination of all inheritances. So let's take the first one. So combination of these single line and multi-level and multiple inheritance. we can consider it as a hybrid inheritance. So let's take the example. Here I am taking parent, the name of parent. I am taking one class. In that class, I am taking another one function. I mean one method, that is fun1. Okay, in this fun1, I am returning a statement, that is I am from fun1 method. Okay, so this is the parent class here. So next, take another class that is considered, that is child. Okay, in this child class, I want to pass parent here. Parent in this child class, I'm creating fun2 method. So in that fun2, I am returning one statement, that is I am from fun2 method. Okay, so in these two classes, we can consider it as a single level. I mean single line. We can consider this. We can consider it as a single level. Okay, so in this single level, I am creating another class, that is child2. I am creating child2. Okay, so in this child, I can pass parent class or child class. We can pass anyone. Okay, but I am passing here child. Okay, child. Next, in this child2 function, in this child2 class, I am creating fun3. Okay, next, return I am from fun3 method. So fun1 existed in parent class and fun2 existed in child class and fun3 existed in child2 class. Okay, this is so I am taking another class, that is child3. So in this child3, we can pass multiple. You can pass multiple classes here. Child1. So child1 is not having child, comma child2. Okay. Next, I am taking one method, that is function4. In that function, I am returning I am from fun4 method. Okay. by using child3 class, I can access the all properties from child2 and child and parent. Is it right? Yes, absolutely. It is right. Okay. So by using child3 class object, we can access the child1, child properties and child2 properties and the parent properties also. Okay. So let's so I got type error. Cannot create a consistent method resolution order before basis child and child 2. So here I'm passing parent only. Okay. Child 2 importing both parent and child class. You can create child. Okay. So no need to pass child 1 also. Okay. So now let's say object. I'm creating object for child 3. Child 3. So in this child 3 class, sorry, in this object, we can get the child 1 properties, parent class properties, and child properties and child 2 properties and child 3 properties also. We can get a function for existed in child 3 class. So next function 3 existed in child 2 class. Next function 2 existed in child. Okay. Next function 1 existed in parent class. Okay, I think all of you clear. So how to access the properties from one class to another class by using these four methods. So I think all of you clear, right? Give me quick reply. Yes. Thank you. So next, concept is modules. So modules. So what is the module? every .py file we can call it as a module. Okay, so why Python is very easy and syntax is very less compared to other languages. I'm repeating once again, why Python is very easy and very less syntax compared to other languages. Having more modules, yes, having more modules, we can create the user defined modules also. So Python having some large set of modules and packages also. Okay, that's why Python is very easy. I will tell you one simple example. So print. So no, no. So import random. So I want to take one random number. Okay, for that provides one module that is random. Okay, by using a random module, we can create the random number. Okay, random dot random top. So in this random function, we need to pass range. Okay, in this between range 10 comma 500 generates one random value. Okay, so next I want to print the current time. For that we have one module, time module also. So time dot see time, time dot see time. We get the current time and date also. Okay, so another example, I want to print the current path. So current path means this is the our current path. So this file location, I want to display the this file location. Normally this file 0912021 file is registered in desktop and youth training folder it have. So now I want to print the location. Okay, by using OS model we can get the CW. CW means current working directory. So this file is existed in C, users, Lenovo PC, desktop, youth training. Okay, in this location, this file is existed. So these are all the inbuilt modules. So time, OS, and random info, web browser. Okay, this is also one module for opening the web browsers. Open up. So in this we need to pass www.https we need to pass link https:// Facebook .com. So let's run. So this facebook.com site is open. Okay, by using web browser. So these are all the built-in modules in Python. Okay, so these are built-in modules. So now I want to create the user-defined models, how to create the user-defined models, and how to access the user-defined models methods. Okay, so let's see. So it is clear what is the module. So every every .py file we can call it as a module. Every .py file we can call it as a module. Okay, so in this module, in this file, next in this file, in this file contains collection of functions or classes. Functions or classes. Okay, so module is a we can call every .py file we can call it as a module. So in this module contains, in this file contains collection of functions or classes. Okay, so ఒక మాడ్యూల్ ఏముంటాయి అంటే మనకి functions and classes ఉంటాయి. So this is one function. Okay, this function is registered in time.py module. Okay, next, so this is os is the .py file, and I mean one module. In this module contains get cwd method. Okay, so next in this also having open method, open function. Now what is the functionality for this open function? To open any web browser. Okay, this is a collection of functions or classes. So next, how to access the modules? By using import keyword, by using import keyword we can access the module. Okay, so by using import keyword we can access the time module. Like the same way, for accessing the modules we can use import method here. It is clear. So what is module and what is the use of module and how to create? I will tell you how to create user defined modules. Yeah, you can simply open give google.com. Okay, so not only Google, Facebook, you can give any uh, URL. Okay, any valid URL. So mean simply I'm mentioning here APSSDC dot in. APSSDC dot in. So open APSSDC dot in website. Okay. So that is the use for so I think now it is clear. Now it is okay. Okay. So these are all the inbuilt modules in Python. So not only this, we have multiple modules. So I am taking here only three examples. So these are all the built-in modules. So I want to create the user-defined module. Okay. So I want to create the user-defined modules. Let's see. So go to this location and take one text file. Okay. So first save this file as a .py file. So here I am taking my module .py. Okay, my module.py. So I am renaming this file name is my module.py. So now we can call it as a this is module one module. Okay, so why this is a .py file. Here .py file we can call it as a one module. Okay, that's why I'm taking my module.py file here. Okay, so normally my module which contains collection of variable collection of classes or functions. Okay, so in this file we need to create uh, some modules. I mean some functions and some classes. Okay, after creating those functions and classes, then how to call those functions. Okay, so first create one function. Okay, I am creating ECF function. So in this function, I am calling, I am returning welcome to ECF student. Okay, so next I am creating one more function, that is even or odd program. Even or odd. So in this, I'm passing one variable, that is a. If a modulus of true equal to 0, return true, or else return false. Okay, so I'm creating two functions. Those are easy. In this function, I'm writing only welcome to easy students. So next, I'm creating another function, that is even or odd. Okay, in this function, I need to pass one variable, that is a value. So if a modulus of 2 equal to 0, if this condition is true, return true. Otherwise, it returns false. Okay, so I'm taking two functions. Okay, let's take another class. I'm creating another classes also. So class, for creating a class, by using class keyword, we can create the class. hmm, Class. I'm creating classes APSSBC.
Sir, audible, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please tell me.
చాట్ బాక్స్ లో ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ పంపించాను సార్.
Okay, sir.
ఒక 2 minutes టైం ఉంది సార్, ఫిల్ చేస్తారు.
Okay.
చాట్ బాక్స్ లో ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ పంపించానండి, ఫిల్ చేసేయండి. ఒక 2 minutes టైం ఉంది సార్, ఫిల్ చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు.
Okay, sir. Definitely.
ఓకేనా సార్?
Oh, yes, sir. Okay.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Please fill the feedback form. Otherwise, you do not get attendance. It is completed for submission of feedback. Can I proceed? Can I proceed? Okay. So I think all of you completed. So I'm creating one class that is APSSDC. So in this APSSDC, I'm creating one function that is engineering team return welcome to engineering team. So next I'm creating another method that is school team. School team. In the school team method, I'm returning welcome to school team. Okay. So after writing the code is here, so first save the file, my module.py file. So is there if this file is not saved, you did not get right symbol. Okay, whenever you save the file, then only you get tick mark. Okay, so now this file is saved. Okay, so is it completed? Give me quick reply. Yes, thank you. So first save the file. So next go to Jupyter file. So in this Jupyter file, so I want to import the my module dot my module module. Okay, so by using import keyword, we can access the module, right? So import my module imported. Okay, so my module, no need to mention .py here. Okay, so no need to mention .py here. Actually, this file name is my module.py. So no need to give extension. Okay, import my module. For example, I am giving spelling mistake. You get error. Module not found error. Okay, no module named. No module name. My module. Okay. So next, import my module. Then only imported successfully. Is there any spelling mistakes in my module name? You get error. Okay, what is that error? That is module not found error. No module named my module. Okay, so enter correct file name. Import my module. Next, in this my module, having how many classes and functions is there? So I want to call ECU. So in this ECU function having welcome to EC students. Okay, in this function output, what is this function output is welcome to EC students. So I got the same. Okay, so next my module dot even or odd. Okay, so in this my module dot even or odd method run missing one required positional argument a. Okay, in this we need to pass one value. Okay, so that is I'm passing here 6. 6 is the even number or not even. Okay, that's why it gives output is true. So I'm passing 61. 61 is not a even number. So that's why it gives output is false. Okay. So it is clear. So now I want to access the class. So in this file, having one class that is APSSDC. Okay. In APSSDC again having two methods. Those are engineering team and schools team. Okay. So I want to access the engineering team method. Okay. So how to give? Then how to give? So first we need to call the my module. My module dot. So I want to call engineering team. Engineering team method. Okay, engineering team method is existed in APSSDC class. Okay, is it right? Engineering team having is existed in my class APSSDC class. Okay, so now I want to access APSSDC class. So next, in this class having methods. Those are engineering and school STEM. So welcome to engineering. Okay. So my module dot APSSDC dot engineering team. You get engineering team output, method output. So next, I want to access the school team. For that also, we need to call the class name also. So APSSDC class, this class having school team. So welcome to school team. Okay. This is the way for calling the class method. Okay. Next, this is the way for calling the functions in a module. Okay. So I think here one is clear. So next, packages. So next, packages. So packages means in packages we can call it as a folder. Okay. So folder. This folder contains this folder contains number of modules. Number of modules. Okay. This is called packages. So normally module is a .py file. Okay. So .py file we can call it as a module. Module contains number of classes and or number of number of functions. Okay. Next to packages means uh, simply we can call it as a package is a folder. Okay. In this folder contains number of modules. Simply we can write it as it is a collection of modules. Okay. For example, 3 4 modules are existed in one folder. Then we can call it as a package. Okay. So now let's see how to create the packages and how to call the modules from a package. Okay. So it is clear what is packages. So now let's create one package. Okay, go to this location. So a package means it is a folder. So now let's take one folder with the name of, here I am taking APSSDC. Okay, APSSDC is the one package. Okay, so normally package contains number of modules. Okay, so now let's create, open this folder and create one module. So I want to create one module. That's why I'm taking text file here. First we have the file name. I'm taking, um, I'm taking sample.py. Okay, I'm taking sample.py. So this file, I'm taking few more examples. I am creating one function that is number. Or here I am taking number. I'm taking number class. Okay. In this number, in this function, I am passing one parameter that is a for I in range one comma a plus one print I and equal to okay. So by using this number, we can print the 1 to which number you entered in this function. Okay, so I got that output. For example, I enter number of 10. Okay, the output of this program is print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, so just I am taking as the example. So next, I am creating another function that is add a comma b return a plus b. Okay, first save this file. Okay, after saving, after save the file, go to this location. Okay, so in this folder, having only one module that is sample.py. So I want to copy the, I want to move this to APSSDC. Okay, now APSSDC package having two modules. Those are mymodule.py and sample.py. Okay, normal package, it means package means contains collection of modules. So in this package having two modules. Those are mymodule.py and sample.py. Okay. So now I want to access the mymodule function and the sample.function. Okay. Let's see how to access the packages by using from keyword. We can access the package. Okay, so here I'm taking from keyword from. So I want to call the I want to call the this function. I want to call add function. Okay, so that's why first we need to call the package. Okay, from what is the package name here? APSSDC. Okay, from APSSDC. In this file only a sample.py having. Okay, from APSSDC import sample. Okay, it's successfully imported. Okay, now I want to call the add function, sample dot add. So in this add function, we need to pass two required position arguments. Those are a comma b. So 25 comma 36. The output is 61. Okay. This is the way for accessing the functions from a package. Okay. So let's see another example from APS. This I want to access the another function that is exists in sample.py file. Okay. So what is the another example for existed in sample.py file? The first one is number and second one is add. Here I am importing add. I am calling add. So now I want to call number function from APSSDC import sample. So here again no need to take again. Okay, once imported, we can call it as sample dot what is the function here? Number of 5. So the output is 1 2 3 4 5. For example, I am passing here 50. So I got the 1 to 50 output. Okay, it is clear. Give me to play. So how to call the functions from a package? So I got only one response. What about remaining? Okay, now let's see how to call the another module. So here I am calling sample module only. Normally AKSDC package having two modules. Those are sample.py module and my module.py module. So I want to access another module. Okay, for that simply we can use like this only. Okay, sample dot my module. Next my module dot having is C. So in this you get output. Okay, this is another way for calling multiple modules from a package. Okay, so this is another way from APSSDC import star. So we can use this one also. But so by using this command, we can get the all modules from a package. Okay, but you don't know the names which are exist in module package. Okay, so by using from APSSDC space import space star, by using this also we can import the all modules from a package. Okay, so it is clear. Is it clear for all? clear. So this is for today. Is there anyone having any doubts or errors regarding today's class? Cool. I think everyone is clear. So I think clear this. So that's it for today. So thank you. Have a great day.